This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the fastest and easiest place to build your photography website. Today, bit of a day trip with the Canon R6 and the 24-70mm F2.8 IS to my friend Michael's place in Goderich, Ontario, Canada. You might recognize Michael from a few other videos on this channel, such as the Antarctica documentary. Here's a clip.
So we're on a boat with my chum, Phil the Krill, and we're going to see if we can't attract some whales with them.
Absolutely. They already saw one at 2 o'clock as we've been sitting here. Can I get a photo?
Phil's become famous.
You may show the tail. Nice.
We got lucky 5 minutes out of the boat, so. Phil.
In and out of this FaceTime like all night. Acting like it wasn't your Wi-Fi, well it's not mine. You ain't been in my zip code in a long time, and your friend said I was the wrong guy, but you forgot why, so it's alright.
It was right here.
I ain't saying that I need you back.
If it was right here, baby,
then at least I can reach you back.
it was right here.
I ain't saying that I need you back.
If it was right here, baby,
If you was right here, if you was right here. You tell Alexa to play me. I know from your roommate, the short one is crazy. I came in a Uber, but it's a Mercedes. I gave you a month and you gave me a maybe. And maybe I missed it, or maybe you did. You call me your baby, you up in my crib. You snapping in photos like it was Madrid, but I go on your story but never your grid. So come on, I I ain't even tripping about that no more. Ain't afraid to hit me right back no more. You ain't gotta see my zodiac no more. No, 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 no. You been steady blowing up the spot though. You just try me out like gelato. No, no. But it's cool.
Now we're gonna move into some photographs of the stars. I have with me I'm gonna call it a beginner Astro kit. It's not all the bells and whistles you could ever possibly want. What I have with me is a fast wide lens. You're viewing this on the Sigma 20mm f1.4. From my app, it looks like the core of what I wanna be photographing is kind of right here over the trees. So I'm gonna figure a way to frame that up so that the stars have some foreground interest. Well, you can get amazing images simply just with the stars in it. You need to involve some other element to give it a sense of scale, otherwise it's just a photograph of some stars. So one helpful tip, maybe to use yourself as a foreground subject to have yourself silhouetted in the stars, or find a nice pathway that leads you into the galaxy. So let's go take a few photos. So unfortunately, the sky clouded over pretty quickly, and I got a few good photos. I didn't get to frame the one that I wanted, but still got to come out here, have some fun, and enjoy my time out here with Chef David Chang on my shirt. Thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If anything, use this as an excuse to get out there into the world and take some photos and have some fun and do some unique and interesting things. And maybe use this as motivation to get out and to do something that you normally wouldn't do, and to just kind of get out there and to experience more of the world and hang out with some more people, take some photos of those people, take some photos of the stars, whatever piques your interest. Go and do it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this episode. Squarespace is the fastest and easiest way for you to make a photography website. But one of the new additions is the scheduling software that's just built into your website. So as a family and a portrait photographer, I run a lot of sales, like specifically around Christmas and Black Friday and Mother's Day, where I open up a specific day or two that people can either come into the studio or I'll meet them out in a park somewhere. And it'll be that specific Sunday. And I used to use a third-party plugin to kind of manage all of that and to take payment, and it was a bit clunky. And now that Squarespace has rolled out scheduling, people can just come to my website, and it's a very easy and organic process for them to schedule themselves in, and also for me to take payment from them. So everything's 100% paid. So if I have a no-show, they have a little more reason to show up if they've already paid, a little less reason to cancel, which is a business thing that I've kind of discovered over time. So set up your scheduling on Squarespace, as well as get a Squarespace website. And eventually we're gonna be doing a video on how to set one up in the fastest way possible, because it is really, really lightning fast. So thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. It's getting a bit sunny out there.